So today I wanted to share an unboxing video with you of my new notepads. The shipment came earlier than expected. It was supposed to come on Thursday. I was super excited. I went to the mailbox on my lunch break, picked it up and opened it right away. I set up the camera to take this video and I didn't check ahead of time to see what was inside, so this unboxing was actually my first reaction to it. The larger notepads turned out really nice, super cute. And then I started going through all the smaller notepads to find out that they had no prints on them. And all 5 of them were like that. I contacted them right away. I made sure that my order was right and that I had actually uploaded the artwork. I've never had anything like that happen. I've used the same printer before. I contacted them, then they finally said that they were going to offer me a complimentary one-time only reprint. And the only thing is, it's not gonna be here by Friday for the launch. So if you are interested in ordering, they won't be shipped out until Monday.